Hey, I'm Mark, and today's honeydew project is we're going to be installing a new doorknob. It's a coated, also the keypad also has a key, and it's Schlage. It's a lever kind. She wanted the lever. I'm not real fond of the lever, simply because we have bears around here. And, last year we had a couple of cubs in the garage. Well, let's get the old doorknob off and a new one installed. It's pretty simple. You just remove these two screws as well as these two, and it all comes apart. I'm going to go ahead and remove the strike plate as well and put in the matching color one. Next, we're going to put in the latch. Make sure you got the angle part facing the right way towards the jamb. Alright, next you just remove the little tape that's holding this screw from falling out, and then it will adjust out to about 1/8, 1/4 inch further out through the door, and it basically just holds the back plate that holds the battery in place until you can get a chance to wire slide under the latch and through this little slot. It's pretty simple. It's all in the instructions. Now let's get it together. And it should slip through pretty easy. And if you look, it looks like this, you're good, but if the lever's the other way, it comes with a little keeper pin that unlocks it. You simply push it in the hole and pull the lever out. Y'all can swap the front to the back. So if it's a left or right-handed door, it always works. Now next, you just plug in the 9-volt battery that comes with it. And then you plug in the wire from the front side to this. And then we put everything back in its place. And now we're ready to install the back. Pretty simple. Well, that's the finished product. It's in the lock mode, and the handle turner just doesn't unlock it. You just punch in your code. You hear a little noise, and it works. Appreciate y'all watching. We'll see you on the next video.